Hey, what's up, Facebook family? We are here. This is episode 11 of SERVPRO
11,
Live.
baby. 11.
That's it. That's it. Hey, it's J. Crew right here and Buster Pipes right there, the one and only. Glad to be back here in the saddle. It's been a couple of weeks.
Yes.
Letting you guys kind of hear from our ownership and see a couple of other new faces. But glad to be back. Not too close.
That's
though.
right.
This is about
That's
as far as the camera will allow us to be apart. Just, regulations.
Still feel the love, though.
For sure. Hey, how are you holding up? I'm more of an introvert. I've been good indoors.
I'm going to tell you
How
right
are you
now,
hanging out?
My wife and I have been married for 28 years, and she would probably say this has been one of the roughest 3-week periods of our marriage because I'm driving her and my son crazy just because I am the gregarious social butterfly. And, I even go outside and talk to my cats, when I'm wearing them out. So,
Well, you're a bundle of energy here. So I imagine right now, just inside of your four walls, it is a little bit different.
struggle. I'll be glad when we kind of get back to a sort of normal and can hug everybody and give them high fives. That's just me.
For sure. Very excited for that. Excited to go to the barber. I'm trying not to make too much direct eye contact with the camera because you could probably see everything.
Sure.
But, regardless, hey, we want to help you guys get back to normal as quickly as possible with, of course, our commercial HVAC cleaning is something that we've always done. We've put a lot more focus on it really in the last several months, certainly. But of course, the buzzword, what everybody's thinking and talking about, we are taking part in preventative coronavirus cleaning, office sanitization, any kind of commercial cleaning inside of that spectrum there. We are taking care of that, of course. But something we're focusing on right now, because a lot of our commercial spaces have a lot less traffic, a lot of restricted traffic at the very least. And it's, of course, I had to actually go get a car wash. Because we're right here in the middle of pollen season, in the middle of spring. And so it's a perfect time for that HVAC cleaning. So give us a call anytime, 205-664-6770. We'd love to be able to set that up for you. At least get a quote out there for you just so we can kind of take care of that. So that whenever the doors are open back up next month, next year, next decade, whenever that is, your space will be clean as a whistle. So,
well, and the other thing is, obviously we've kind of hit a pause here for a while now.
Sure.
But you know what? Disasters are still happening. Roofs are leaking, pipes are bursting, structures are catching on fire, and guess what? We're still here to help. And we are taking all the necessary precautions for social distancing that all of our crews need to have when we're in your home. I think I even saw an email that we made sure our folks were having the PPE on because the customer made sure, hey, are you guys wearing those, wearing the masks, the gloves, and the things like that? We're doing all that, so never fear. Call us. We want to help you.
Yeah, that's right. So if there is anything that goes outside of we've been doing the water and fire and mold game for forever. That is never going to stop. But again, we are placing more of a focus on our commercial spaces because of the unique season that we're in as a country. And so if that is something we can help you with, and again, 205-664-6770. But guys, thank you so much for hanging out with us. This is a special weekend. For a lot of us, it is a very different look. A lot of us have been sitting, kind of going to church in our living room for quite a while. Regardless, hey, put on like a suit and tie, just for giggles and grins on Sunday. Put on a suit and tie. Have the same kind of spread you would typically have with your family as far as lunch or dinner, whatever your family customs are. Still make the most of this special weekend. We don't have any sports, but we do have each other. And so be sure and enjoy that this weekend. But as always, Buster, what they can always do 24/7.
Call us Birmingham.